Hey everybody, it's Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, and notary public. So I'm at MI Homes. This is the Palisades. Gonna go inside and have a look. Alright, so let's go inside and have a look at this house. It's called the Palisades. This house is 1,933 square feet. Kind of interesting layout when you first walk in. So there's the front door. You got this huge room over here. And you can see it's set up like an office. Very spacious feeling. So here's your kitchen and your living room and your dining room all in one. Let's take a look at the lanai. And it's a good sized master bedroom as well. I'm just looking at all the furniture, which is kind of why I was quiet, because there's a chair over here and you got this little table thing. And that's a rock. I actually thought it was a box of tissues when I glanced at it. I did, I thought it was tissues. Because I'm looking at the camera viewer as well. Let's see the bathroom. Yeah, that's about right for a house that's 1,900 square feet. Let's see the, oh wow. Oh wow, this is a nice closet. Jeez, look at that. Let's walk it. It's an amazing closet, it really is. Wow. And the toilet is not in the closet. That's great. That really is. Shower. Another look at the kitchen. Let's take a look at the pantry. Here should be 2 bedrooms, I believe. HVAC closet. And the shared bathroom. a big closet. So the closet spans the whole length of the wall. And here's another bedroom. And here's the laundry room. So who's this house for? Well, easily one person, and definitely 3 people as well. Definitely. I think that if you want a very large closet in the master bedroom, then this is a great choice, because the master bedroom closet was extremely long, as you saw when I walked it. And the other thing about this house would be, if you really just want a very large room to gather in, like this room is. I mean, I'm going to try to get it up at arm's length, but there's just a lot of space in this overall area. So, I mean, it doesn't feel in any way, shape, or form cramped in here, even though there is a lot of furniture. This model is pretty well packed with things. So it looks much more like a home that's lived in than some of the other models. And the lanai is very respectable as well. There's a few chairs out here. And I do appreciate everyone stopping by and watching this video. Please contact me if you're interested in buying or selling, or if you have more questions. Thank you again. Have yourselves a fantastic day. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you, you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because Home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.